Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shah Sir Classes and Evershine Coaching Center. I am Shah Sir here. My dear students, today I am going to discuss subject mathematics, topic ratio and proportion of class 7th ICSE board. And this video can be used with all the students of any board and also for the competitive level exams. Okay, so let's start today ratio first, and after that we are going to start proportion. Now first let me define what is a ratio. Okay, and this video I am going to make for all the students and I will be explaining in the language English and Hindi. Okay, let's begin. See my dear students, ratio. Okay, ratio बोले तो क्या है? So what we call it as ratio. Okay, so a ratio is a relationship. A ratio is a relationship between two quantities. Okay, as you can see, a ratio is a relationship between two quantities. अगर से आप कोई दो quantities को लीजिए, okay, you consider any two things, any two objects, and you start measuring them, or you start describing about it. You do anything with that. Okay. Now, as you can see, what happens in this board that we have to see. Okay. So ratio will give you the relationship between these two quantities. No need to worry. I'll be explaining you once again. So first, let me to complete the definition. Okay. A ratio is the relationship between two quantities of the same kind. Of the same kind with same unit. This is very important point. Okay. A ratio is a relationship between two quantities of the same kind with same unit, and it is obtained on dividing. It is obtained on dividing first quantity by the second. Okay, a ratio is a relationship between two quantities. Okay, we are finding the relationship between two quantities of the same kind with same unit. Okay, of the same kind with same unit, and it is obtained. How do you get to know the relationship between two quantities? It is obtained on dividing the first quantity by the second. So this is the definition of ratio. For example, let you take, but remember you have to take same unit and same kind. Okay, for example, now I am going to do the relationship between 50 kg and 20 kg. Okay, now I have two quantities. Remember, as you can see, 15 kg I have one substance, 15 kg I have one more substance, that is 20 kg. हमारे पास एक ऑब्जेक्ट 15 kg का है और 20 kg का है. ठीक है. Now I want to find the ratio between these two. So how do you find the relationship between this 15 kg and 20 kg? As you have to see this SI units. This also should be in kg. This also should be in kg. Okay. If any one also, if it is in different ratio or different unit, you have to change into the same unit. अगर से ये आपको 15 kg दिया है और ये 20 grams दिया है, तो आपको क्या करना है? What you should do? If this he has given in kg and if this he has given in gram, so what you have to do? Both you have to convert into kg or both you have to convert into grams. Okay, you have to maintain the same unit. No problem. If you are not understanding here, no, not an issue. No worries. Inshallah, in the rest of the sums, you will be understanding. Okay. Now, first let me see what is ratio. Now, I want to find the ratio between 15 kg and 20 kg. So, this can be written as 15 kg. Remember, my dear students, ratio is denoted by the symbol is 2. This we call it as is 2. You have to write this symbol. So, this is the symbol of ratio. Okay. So 15 kg is to 20 kg. 15 kg is into 20 kg, that is equals to, okay, this ratio you have to convert into proportion. So actually you can see it is in the form of A is to B. Okay, A is to B can also be written as A divided by B. Okay, you should not forget this. A is to B, this is the standard form. Remember, A is to B can also be written as A by B. Any doubts? You should remember this topic. Okay, A is the first quantity. A is the first quantity. I am just describing it. What is A here? A is my first quantity. Okay, and then what is B? B is my second quantity. ओके हमारे पास दो क्वांटिटीज दिया गया है, ए आकर फर्स्ट क्वांटिटी है और बी आकर सेकेंड क्वांटिटी है. सो ए इज टू बी कैन ऑल्सो बी रिटन एज ए बाई बी. सो 15 is to 20. So this is nothing but 15 is to 20. 15 is to 20 can also be written as 15 by 20 because it is in the form of A is to B. A is to B can also be written as A by B, that is 15 by 20. Okay. As you can see, ratio is obtained on dividing first quantity by the second. We have done first quantity by second. Can you tell me in which tables will you get 15 and 20? Yes, of course. It is the multiples of 5, right? So 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. Again 3 and 4. Does 3 and 4 goes with any table? No. So we have to keep it as it is. That is 3 by 4. Okay. It is nothing but 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 finally you have to write in the form of ratio. So we have converted this 15 kg and 20 kg. The ratio between 15 kg and 20 kg is 3 is to 4. So this is how we are going to solve the problems. From this event, from this topic, what did we understood? We have understood that the two quantities, whichever the quantities you take, okay, the two quantities must be of the same kind, of the same kind and same unit. That is the first point we have seen, correct? This both should be of the same kind and same unit, correct now children? And always we will write the ratio in which form? Ratio is written in the form of A is to B. Okay, how you should read this? You have to read this as A is to B. A is to B. If it is 3 is to 4, yeah, okay, you can write as 3 is to 4. Okay, now very important step you should remember. Now for example, let me take this term itself as what we have got no answer, 3 is to 4. Okay, अभी हम 3 is to 4 को ही लेंगे example. Okay, 3 is to 4. So 3 is the first quantity, right? What is 3? 3 is my first term as just we have seen now, correct? हम इसको क्या बोलते हैं? 3 को first term बोलते हैं. We will call this as first term. Okay. Now, children, you should know this basic terminologies as these terminologies are very important. Done. So 3 is my first term and 4 is the second term. And remember, the first term is call it as antecedent. आपको ये multiple choice में पूछा जाएगा. Okay. It's a competitive level exam question. Done. First term is call it as antecedent and second term 4. Can you see this second term 4? This we call it as consequent. This we call it as consequent. Okay, 3 is to 4 जो दिया है 3 को हम बोलते हैं antecedent और 4 second term हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं consequent. Okay, so this in a ratio antecedent and consequent are co-prime. Remember, in a ratio antecedent and consequent are coprime. Remember this. Done? Good. And remember my dear students, the ratio whatever we get in the simplest form, जो भी हमारे को रेशियो सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में मिलेगा, हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं? ये रेशियो इज ए प्योर नंबर. ओके, ये रेशियो इज ए प्योर नंबर. Remember? Okay, one more. You have to remember, always ratio should be in the same units. If one is centimeter, other one is in meter, so what you should do? You have to convert both into centimeters or both into meters. Done? Similarly, if they give you one in kg, other one in gram, what you should do? Both you have to keep in kg, kilogram. If not, both you have to keep in grams. Sometimes they may give you 1 unit in minutes. Okay, 1 unit they may give you in minutes, and second unit they may give you in seconds. So what you should do? Both should be in minutes or both should be in seconds. You have to maintain both the units same. First you have to check whether both the units are same or not. Then you have to start solving the problem. Is this clear? A ratio must always be expressed in its lowest terms, in that is nothing but in simplest form. Always whichever the ratio they give, you have to represent them into its simplest form. Okay, you have to represent them into its simplest form. And dear students, very important point, a ratio okay is expressed, a ratio is expressed in simplest form. ओके, जितना हो सकता है आपको उसको रेड्यूस करके सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में लिखना है. ओके, एंड दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट अकॉर्डिंग टू एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. ये रेशियो हैज नो यूनिट, देयर इज नो एसआई यूनिट ऑफ रेशियो, बिकॉज it is simply a number. Done? So this is what about the ratio basics of ratio. Any doubts? Good. I hope you all have copied these points. Now let me start solving the problem related to ratio. First question, copy down. Convert the ratio 1/3 is to 1/4 into simplest form. Solution. देखिए बेटा, आपको अगर से क्वेश्चन इस तरह से दिया गया है कि आपको कन्वर्ट करना है ये 1/3 is to 1/4, ये जो रेशियो है हमारे को इसको सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है. हाउ डू यू कन्वर्ट दिस? कैन यू टेल मी हाउ विल यू कन्वर्ट दिस रेशियो 1/3 is to 1/4? Very simple. As you can see, this 1/3, consider this complete term is a. Okay, 1/3 को हम a assume करेंगे, is to 1/4 को हम b assume करेंगे. Okay, let we assume 1/3 as a and 1/4 as b. A is to b. A is to b can also be written as a by b. Do you remember this? Yes, of course. For every problem you have to use this logic. A is to b can be written as a by b. Similarly, 1/3 is to 1/4 can be written as 1/3 is to 1/4 can be written as, that is equals to 1/3 whole divided by 1/4. Okay, as this is A and this is B, this complete is my A and this part is my B, correct? So 1 by 3 that is A by 1 by 4 that is B, okay? 1 by 3 by 1 by 4 that is equals to 1 by 3, as 1 by 4 goes to the numerator, so that what happens, it becomes 4 by 1, okay? ये जो 1 by 4 है, ये 1 by 4 है, जब ये ऊपर जाएगा, okay, this is my numerator and this is my denominator, okay? As it goes up, denominator will goes up and numerator will comes down. 1 by 4, if it goes up, what happens, it becomes 4 by 1. I hope you know this. Now just check if any term you can cancel. 4 ones are 4 by 3 ones are 3, 4 by 3. Is 4 by 3 is cancelable with any table or any number? कोई एक टेबल में सेम नंबर से कोई सेम टेबल से ये 4 और 3 कैंसिल होगा? नहीं होगा, राइट? So we can write this simplest form as 4:3. Okay, the simplest form is what? 4:3. So this is the final answer. Did you understood? Shall we solve one more problem related to this? Good. My dear students, I am going to solve your work examples and as much as possible your exercise problems. Okay. Next question. Express the given ratio. Express the given ratio in its simplest form. In its simplest form. Let me take as options. Option A, 22:66. Now can you convert this 22:66? It's in the form of A by B, A is to B. So 22:66 can also be written as 22/66, right? As we can see here, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6. Next, 11 ones are 11, 11 3s are 33. That is equals to 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 can also be written as 1:3. That's it. Over. We have converted this into its simplest form. Next option, 1.5 is to 2.5. Okay. How can we convert this 1.5 is to 2.5? Very simple. Again, it's in the form of A is to B. A is to B. A is to B can also be written as A by B, right? Similarly, 1.5 is to 2.5 can also be written as 1.5 by 2.5. Okay. Now I'll give you the logic. Very simple. ये 1.5 को आप 15 assume कर लीजिए. Assume this as 15. Forget about this point. Again 2.5 is 25. Assume this as 25. Understood? आप इसको 15 assume कीजिए, इसको आप 25 assume कीजिए. Okay, assume this as 25 and assume this as 15. Forget about this point. Now this is 15, this is 25. In which tables you get 15 and 25? 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. Again 3 and 5, does it goes with any table? No. As we can see here, first number was 1.5. Before this 5, there is a point. Can you see this? Before 5, there is a point. Or after point, there is one digit. Or before 5, 5 means one digit. Before one digit, we have a point. So what you can do here? Keep point here, 0. Keep point here, you can take 0. Okay. Before 3, keep the point. Before 5, keep the point. Before last digit, keep the point. Before last digit, keep the point. So the answer is 0.3 is to 0.5. This is the final answer. Or I will teach you one more method. 1.5 is to 2.5. This can be written as 1.5 by 2.5. Now as you can see here, after point, how many digits are there? देखिए ये आपका point है, ये एक digit 1.5. ये आपके point के बाद में कितना digits है? We have only one digit, right? Since you have only one digit, what you can do, you can multiply and divide by 10. Suppose here it was 1.52. Assume, example I am giving. As you can see here, after point, how many digits are there? 2 digits. So what you have to do? If it is 2 digits, then you have to multiply and divide by 100. आफ्टर पॉइंट इफ इट इज 1 डिजिट, अगर से आपके पॉइंट के बाद में 1 डिजिट है तो आपको 10 और 10 से मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड करना है. अगर से 2 डिजिट्स रहा तो आपको क्या करना है? 100 और 100 से मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड करना है. 3 डिजिट्स, आफ्टर पॉइंट 3 डिजिट्स 1000. इट गोज ऑन. गॉट इट? नो, इन केस इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई 1.5 into 10, it becomes 15. 25 into 10, it becomes 25. Okay, now as you can see, 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. Are you getting my point? Now can you tell me which is the correct answer out of this both? Here we get 0.3 to 0.5, but here we are getting 3 by 5. 3 by 5 can also be written as 3 is to 5. 3 is to 5. Now my dear students, remember, as again here you have to do some further calculation. Here after this step also what we have to do, it is not 0.3 to 0.5. that's what I just wanted to show you this step. So as you get here 0.3 by 0.5, again here after, because we have to keep this into its simplest form. After point there is 1 digit, so 10. After point there is 1 digit, so 10. So it becomes 0.3 into 10 will become 3. 0.5 into 10, it becomes 5. Okay, then final answer here also it is 3 is to 5. Concepts are clear? So which one you prefer as simple, you can follow that. Okay, the simplest value, the simplest form, always we have to keep the final answer into its simplest form. Got it? 0.3 by 0.5. As you can see, 0.0 both the sides it is common. So it is, you can take it as 3 by 5, that is 3 is to 5. Understood? Good. Now can we solve one more problem? So the final answer is 3 is to 5. Next, one more problem. Let me solve option C. 6 1 by 4. 6 1 by 4 is to 12 1 by 2. As you can see, it is in mixed fraction. अब इधर पे देख सकते हैं ये mixed fraction में है. So first you have to convert this into improper fraction. This 4 you write as it is. This 4 and 6 multiply. 4 6 are 24. And then this answer you should add with the numerator. Okay, 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. That is 25 by 4 is to 2 into 12. Multiply this both. 2 into 12, 24. First you write denominator as it is. Denominator 2 as it is. Denominator 4 as it is. Denominator 2 as it is. 2 into 24, 2 into 12, 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. Is this clear? So it is 25. Now, did you understood this? 6 into 4, 24 plus 1, 25 by 4. 2 into 12, 24. Okay, plus 1 is 25. Now 25 by 4 is to 25 by 4 is to 25 by 2. This can be written as 25 by 4 whole divided by, ratio means by 25 by 2. That is equals to 25 by 4. This 25 by 2 comes to the numerator. It becomes 2 by 25. It becomes 2 by 25. Then this 25 get cancelled. 25 ones are 25 ones are. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. Now you have to multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. 1 ones are 1 by 2 ones are 2. It is 1 by 2. If you want to write in ratio form, then it becomes 1 is to 2. Got it? Understood? Very good. Next problem. Let me do the next problem. Option D. 40 kg is to 1 quintal. Okay, here as you can see, here SI unit is kg, but here the SI unit is quintal. Correct? 40 kg is to 1 quintal. Now I said you in the previous what we have concluded the basics of this ratio. I have said you that both the units should be same. अगर से आपको इधर पे kg है तो इधर भी kg ही रहना है. अगर से इधर क्विंटल है तो आपको इधर भी क्विंटल ही रखना है. It means that you have to keep both the sides, the units same. Then only you have to start solving the problem. Right? Remember here, my dear students, 1 quintal is equals to 100 kg. Okay, 1 quintal is equals to how many kgs? 100 kg. 100 kg we call it as 1 quintal. Did you understood? So here what we can do? So which is easy first to keep? Let me keep both the sides in kgs. Correct? So 40 kg is to 1 quintal means 100 kg. That is nothing but 1 quintal place we can write as 100 kg. Got it? Now both the units are same, 40 kg and 100 kg. Both the sides it is kg. Now we can write this as 40 is to 100. So this 40 is to 100 can be written as 40 by 100. Okay, as it is in the form of A is to B, that is A by B. 1 0 1 0 get cancelled. So 4 and 10 in which tables it goes? It goes with 2 tables. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Now what is the remainder? 2 by 5. Can we further simplify this 2 by 5? No, it doesn't go with any table. So the final conclusion of this step is 2 is to 5. Okay. So the final answer is 2 is to 5. Any doubts? Very good. Now let me solve the next part. One more problem. That is option E. 10 paise is to rupees 1. 10 paisa is to rupees 1. Now what we should do, as I have said you previously, both the units should be same. Here is paisa and here is rupees. My dear students, you should remember here rupees 1, that is 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise. 100 paisa we call it as 1 rupees. Did you understood? How many paisa is 1 rupee? 100 paisa is 1 rupee. So here we can change this as 10 paisa is to 100 paisa or 100 paisa. Got it? Understood? So both the units are same now, paisa. Now we can write here 10 is to 100. So 10 is to 100 can be written as 10 by 100. So this 1 0 get cancelled. So now what is left out? 1 by 10. So 1 by 10 can be further written as 1 is to 10. Okay. So 10 paisa is to rupees 1 is nothing but 1 is to 10. Any doubts? Good. Now let me solve one more option. One more option. I hope you all are understanding this. Good. Next option is 200 meter is to 5 kilometer. Now again you can see is the both the SI units are same. क्या इधर दोनों जगह पे unit same है? As you can see this is meter and this is kilometer. Dear students, you should remember here that is 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. So what we can do here? Shall we convert both into kilometers or both into meters? It's up to you. If we are converting kilometers to meters, then what we have to do here is very simple. 200 meters is to 5. Instead of writing k, we have to write 1000. Kilo means 1000 meters. So 200 meters is to 5 into 1000 meters. That's nothing but 200 meters is to 5000 meters. As you can see, now both the units are in same units, right? That is 200 is to 500. That can be written as 200 by 500. So both the sides 0 get cancelled. So the final step is 2 by 5. 2 by 5 can also be written as 2 is to 5. So 200 meters is to 5 kilometers is nothing but 2 is to 5. Any doubts? Good. Now let me solve one more option. Option G. 3 hours. 3 hours is to 1 day. 3 hours is to 1 day. My dear students, can you tell me how many hours is equals to 1 day? We know that 1 day is equals to 24 hours. 1 day is equals to 24 hours. So shall we convert here? 3 hours is to, instead of writing 1 day, we can write it as 1 day is equals to 24 hours. Now both the units are same. That is 3 is to 24. 3 is to 24 can be written as 3 by 24. In which tables we get 3 and 24? Can you tell me? 3 tables, right? Very good. 3 ones are 3. 3 8s are 24. The final step is 1 by 8. 1 by 8 also can be written as 1 is to 8. That's it. So we have done option G. Now let me solve one more option. Option number H. Is this clear? Good. 6 months is to 1 by 3 years. 6 months is to 1 by 3 years. Done. Now can you tell me how many years, how many months is equals to year? We know that 1 year is equals to 12 months. 1 year is equals to 12 months. Correct? So first let you change the given dimension. 6 months is to, it's given in mixed fraction. So first we have to convert into improper fraction. So 3 as it is. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. That is 4 by 3 years. 4 by 3 years. Okay. 4 by 3 years. We know that 1 year equals 12 months. Then 4 by 3 years is equals to how many months? Can you tell me? If it is 1 year, it is 12 months. Then how many months, how many years are there? 4 by 3 years. Example, if it was 2 years, assume, for example 2 years. अगर से आप समझिए इधर पे 2 years था. So 2 year equals how many months? How will you calculate? That is 2 into 12. 2 into 12 is 24 months. Correct, no? If it is 1 year, let me take like this. If it is 1 year, 1 into 12, that is 12 months. Correct? If it is 2 year, 2 into 12. If it is 3 year, 3 into 12. Similarly, 4 by 3 years means how many months? 4 by 3 means 6 months is to 4 by 3 into 12 months. Got it? अभी मैं आपको बताया था कि 1 year बोले तो 12 months है. 2 year बोले तो हम किस तरह से सॉल्व करेंगे? 2 into 12. ठीक है, एक ईयर को आपको 12 महीने होते हैं, तो 2 साल में 2 into 12 दैट इज 24 मंथ्स. आपको 12 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है इस नंबर को, 2 ईयर को 12 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सिमिलरली 4 by 3 into 12. अंडरस्टूड? मंथ्स. नाउ एज यू कैन सी 3 ones are 3 4s are 12. That is nothing but 6 months is to 4 4s are 16 months. Okay. So 4 by 3 years means 16 months. Now as we can see both the units are same. Now we can write as 6 is to 16. 6 is to 16 can be written as 6 by 16. In which tables it goes 6 by 16? 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16. That is equals to 3:8. 3:8. Now let me solve the next option. Option I, 1 by 3 is to 2 1 by 4 is to 2 1 by 2. My dear students, let me see how to solve this problem. My dear students, still if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, Shah Sir Classes, kindly do subscribe it and click the bell icon and select all. And after watching this video, if you have liked this class, do not forget to click the like button and share this video with your all classmates, with your friends and also with your family members. So the one who is in need, definitely it will be very helpful for them. Okay, good. And also comment how was this class and what video you want to make me next. And the admissions are open in our coaching institute. In the below description, we have given the complete contact details about our institute. Now let me see how to solve this case. As this is in mixed fraction, first we have to convert this into improper fraction. How? See here. This denominator 3, write as it is. 3 ones are 3. We have to multiply this into this. 3 ones are 3 plus 1 is 4 is 2. Write this 4 as it is. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9 is 2. 2 2s, first you write this 2 as it is, denominator. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Now 4 by 3 is to 9 by 4 is to 5 by 2. Now how to solve this? Very simple. First we have to see the denominators. The denominators are 3, 4 and 2. We have to take the LCM of 3, 4 and 2. 3 in which tables it goes? It goes with 3 tables itself. So 3 ones are 3, 4 as it is, 2 as it is. 2 and 4 in which tables it goes? It goes with 2 tables, 1 as it is. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Again this 2 goes with 2 tables itself, 1, 2 1s are 2, 1. Now we have to multiply these terms. Okay, I hope you know this. You have to multiply these terms. That is 3 into 2 into 2 into 1. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 into 1 is 12. So the LCM of these, all the denominators are 12. So now what we should do? 4 by 3, this first term, this complete first term, you should multiply by LCM. LCM is 12. 4 by 3 into 12, okay, is 2. 9 by 4 into 12, again you have to multiply with LCM with the second term, is 2. Third term, 5 by 2 into 12, the LCM is 12. okay, ये आपका जो फर्स्ट नंबर था 4 by 3, आपको ये LCM से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. फिर 9 by 4 को भी 12 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, 5 by 2 को भी 12 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. Then 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16 is 2. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 9 3s are 27 is 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 5 6s are 30. So 16 is to 27 is to 30. Can you check in any table, can this all numbers goes? Is these numbers goes with any same table or same number? No, it doesn't go. As you can see, 16 is even number, 27 is odd number, 30 is even number. As you can see, here we have a mixed proportion of odd and even numbers. So the final answer is 16 is to 27 is to 30 itself. So this is our final answer. Hence we have concluded this step. Any doubts? Understood? So here in this class we have solved all the problems related to how to convert the ratio into its simplest form. Any doubts? Very good. My dear students, in our next class we are going to solve the problems, okay, with some other topics also, okay, like how to divide the given number in the given ratio. Okay, no, do not worry, we are going to cover each and every problem. And before concluding this class, I just want to give you one small assignment, and I want you have to try with these sums also. Okay, can you try with these problems? 1 by 9 is to 1 by 12, 4 1 by 4 is to 1 by 12, 1 by 3 is to 2 1 by 4 is to 1 5 by 6, and I want you have to try with this. 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4, 1 by 2 is to 2 by 3 is to 3 by 4. Okay, can you solve these problems? If you are going to solve these problems, do not forget to tell me the answers for these questions which I have given here in the below comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and keep in touch with our channel so that still more we are going to give you the updates and important questions along with the complete information about the chapter. Thank you, take care, wish you all the best of luck.